Tired of juggling spreadsheets, making manual entries, and struggling to get a clear picture of your finances? You're not alone. Running a business is tough enough without the added stress of outdated accounting methods. But what if there was a better way? Enter Xero, the cloud-based accounting software that's revolutionizing how businesses manage their finances. Transition to a relatable scenario. Imagine this. You're a small business owner, maybe a freelancer, a retailer, or even a nonprofit. You're constantly chasing invoices, reconciling bank statements, and trying to figure out your tax obligations. It's a time-consuming nightmare, right? Now, imagine a system that automates many of these tasks, provides real-time insights into your cash flow, and even helps you make better business decisions. That's the power of Xero. Introduce Xero with a concise and engaging description. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small businesses and accounting professionals. It's like having a personal finance assistant that works 24/7, helping you manage everything from invoicing and expenses to payroll and bank reconciliations. But what exactly can you do with Xero? Let's dive in. Highlight key features and benefits with real-world examples. Invoicing and sales. Say goodbye to manual invoicing. With Xero, you can easily create professional invoices in seconds. Simply add your client details, line items, and due dates. Xero even allows you to track invoice payments, send reminders, and accept online payments directly through the platform. Let's say you're a graphic designer. After completing a project, you can quickly create an invoice in Xero with just a few clicks. Add your hourly rate or project fees, and Xero will automatically calculate the total. You can then email the invoice directly to your client and even track when it's viewed and paid. Expenses and bank reconciliation. Managing expenses can be a real headache. Receipts, bank statements, it all adds up. But with Xero, you can easily track all your business expenses in one place. Simply snap a photo of your receipts, upload them to Xero, and the software will automatically categorize and code them. Imagine you're a traveling salesperson. You can easily snap a photo of your hotel receipts, mileage logs, and meal expenses while on the go. Xero's mobile app makes it a breeze to track expenses in real time, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Xero also seamlessly integrates with your bank accounts. This allows for automatic bank reconciliations, saving you countless hours of manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Payroll. Paying your employees on time and accurately is crucial. Xero simplifies the payroll process by calculating paychecks, processing superannuation, if applicable, and even filing your taxes. You can easily set up employee records, track leave entitlements, and manage pay increases all within the platform. Let's say you're a restaurant owner. Xero can help you manage your employees' wages, track their hours worked, and ensure they're paid correctly and on time. You can even set up direct deposit to make payroll processing even smoother. Reporting and financial insights. One of the most powerful features of Xero is its robust reporting capabilities. Get real-time insights into your cash flow, profitability, and overall financial health. Xero provides a variety of customizable reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow forecasts. As a business owner, you need to make informed decisions. Xero's reports can help you identify areas for improvement, track your progress towards your financial goals, and even predict future cash flow needs. Collaboration and access. Xero is designed for collaboration. You can easily share access with your accountant, bookkeeper, or other trusted advisors. This ensures everyone is working with the same data and that your finances are always up to date. Let's say you're working with an accountant to prepare your taxes. With Xero, you can easily share your financial data with them, streamlining the tax preparation process and saving you both time and money. Address potential concerns and offer solutions. Is Xero right for my business? Xero is a versatile platform suitable for a wide range of businesses, from sole traders and freelancers to small and medium-sized enterprises. Whether you're in retail, hospitality, or any other industry, Xero can help you streamline your finances. What about the learning curve? Xero has an intuitive interface and is relatively easy to learn. Xero provides extensive online resources, including tutorials, guides, and support articles. Plus, their customer support team is always available to assist you. What about the cost? Xero offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs and budgets. You can choose a plan that best fits your specific requirements and scale up or down as your business grows. Emphasize the value proposition. By switching to Xero, you can save time, reduce errors, and gain valuable insights into your business finances. You'll have more time to focus on what you do best, running your business. Ready to experience the power of Xero for yourself? Sign up for a free trial today and see how it can transform your financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,